Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video we are going to walk through how to apply a tourist visa to travel to Kiribati if you need one. Before I proceed further, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please unsubscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. So guys, whenever it comes to apply tourist visa to any country, the very first thing you need to check if you really need a visa or not, because based on your nationality and purpose, duration, or even other factors, you may or may not need a visa. So once you determine it that yes, you need a visa, you need to check the requirements on the official site. So for example, I have opened Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Immigration, Kiribati. Okay. Now under immigration, if you go, they have various titles. Okay, how you can check. Okay. Now one is visa exception. So this is something you should definitely check first, because if you click here, it's gonna tell you the countries that are exempt from visa based on duration and other things. So for example, if you're an Indian citizen, you don't need a visa, you can get visa on arrival. Similarly, check that over here. Okay, so once you define that, you can travel. But yes, based on the flights that originate from multiple destinations and even transit, you may need visa for some other country. So that definitely you need to keep in your mind before you finalize your itinerary. Apart from that, what you got to do? Okay, now if you need a visa, like if your nationality does not fall over there, go to visa. You have this email. So if you click here, for example, let's say you're going for tourism visitor visa. So this is what it is. You're gonna select two passport photographs. Okay, write your name on the back of both photographs that you need to do. Name as shown in passport, passport details, partnership status, contact details. You'll go in Kiribati like friend, relative, whatever you do, partners details. This only if you selected married, and similar details. All right. Health declaration, character declaration, police certificates that you must provide, visa specifics, outside Kiribati, so when you are gonna go, when you are gonna come back, and your purpose. It's very simple. And then declaration, sign, signature. Okay. If anyone is assisting, then that they need to provide documents required, completed signed application form, appropriate fee. I'll come to that. Two passport size color photograph, passport of travel document of everyone, medical certificate, police certificate, all the documents that we have seen here. But a question arises, where are you gonna apply for it? Okay, because their missions are not available in all the countries. It's available in very few countries. So if you're outside of those countries, how are you gonna apply, right? So that is what I'm gonna show. So what I did, like, let me go back. Yeah, you see there's an email account. I sent an email to them and I'm gonna show the response. So some portions of this email I have removed. I got their response. So first of all, for Indian nationals, visa exempt. Okay, we were given on arrival. I also asked them, what about the countries that are not visa exempt? Where can they send the form? They can send their application to this email address and they will also let you know about the payment and other things. So with this, you can get a visa to Kiribati if you really need one. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.